What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben. Welcome to the channel where we talk about everything Amazon FBA. Today's video, we are going to be talking 2021 product selections and what are my projections for what products are going to absolutely kill it as we move into the new year. Let's get into it. So right now we are in December. That means we're in Q4 of 2020. Everybody right now is thinking of the holidays, getting together with friends and family. There's going to be drinking. There's going to be eating a ton of food, whether healthy or otherwise. And as we move into the new year, people always have the mindset shift of New Year's resolutions, new year, new me, getting back into the swing of things with their health and their fitness. Right now, there are lockdowns and issues with a lot of businesses staying open. Gyms are being shut down around the world, and people are going to be looking for an outlet in order to be able to improve their health and their wellness overall. So I see a massive opportunity. This has been the case throughout the year, but more so in the first quarter of the year when people come out with their resolutions and things. They are going to be looking for healthier food, fitness equipment, dietary supplements and vitamins, and anything related to overall health, wellness, and fitness is going to absolutely crush it coming into the January and February months. Historically speaking, the first quarter of the year is always going to be the slowest on Amazon. Everybody's done all of their holiday shopping. Everyone's taken advantage of sales. People are looking to pay off credit cards and get caught up on debt and start saving more money. But more than ever, these smaller categories that may not get as much attention throughout the year and do not scale as well during the fourth quarter are really going to shine, especially in 2021 in the first quarter. So if you are currently looking at selling dietary supplements, vitamins, nutritional and healthy food, or anything to do with fitness or fitness equipment, I would absolutely double down on those things. That's what we're doing in our own business. If you aren't currently selling at all, or you aren't currently selling in those categories, it's something that I would highly recommend is to look into these categories and see what you can get for products, because I predict that the demand is going to be greater than it ever has been before, both online in general as well as in these specific niche categories. So if you guys can get ahead of the curve, start doubling down on these products right now, you will see tremendous results as we move into the new year. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you are all having fantastic days. Do not forget to smash the like button. Also make sure that you are subscribed, hit the little notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I post a new video. And other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. Take care and peace.